Memory Magic. Mnemonics for GRE and GMAT Vocabulary Mastery. Hello there, dedicated learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most efficient techniques to remember vocabulary, especially when preparing for GRE and GMAT exams. It's called mnemonic devices. If you've ever struggled to recall a tricky word or its meaning, then this tool might just be your savior. Mnemonic devices are memory aids. Think of them as shortcuts for your brain. They transform information into a format that's easier for our minds to retain. Whether it's a rhyme, acronym, image, or a story, these devices are designed to make the learning process both fun and effective. 1. Rhymes and songs. Remember how you learned the alphabet with a song? Rhyming can make terms stickier in our minds. 2. Acronyms. These are words formed from the initial letters of other words. For instance, to remember the Great Lakes, one can use the acronym HOMES: Huron, Ontario, Michigan, Erie, and Superior. 3. Visual imagery. Associate words with vivid pictures. For example, for the word gregarious, meaning sociable, you can visualize a laughing gregarious Greg surrounded by friends. 4. Storytelling. Craft a short tale that incorporates the new vocabulary. The sillier or more outlandish the story, the better. 1. Understand the word. Before crafting a mnemonic, ensure you understand the word's meaning. 2. Keep it simple. The simpler it is, the easier it will be to recall. Don't complicate things. 3. Engage your senses. Try to incorporate as many of your senses as possible. If you can hear, see, and feel the mnemonic, it's more likely to stick. 4. Make it personal. Personal connections to words make them easier to remember. If the word luminous reminds you of a luminous childhood toy, use that. Mnemonics are powerful, but they're not magic. Consistent practice and repetition are key. The more you use and recall your mnemonics, the stronger your memory of the word will become. And there you have it. By incorporating mnemonic devices into your GRE and GMAT vocabulary study routine, you'll not only boost your retention but make the process more engaging. We hope this video has shed some light on this amazing memory tool. Keep practicing, stay curious, and best of luck with your exam preparation.